This executive retreat, offering over 4,000 square feet, located in the middle of 87 acres of hardwood timber, less than 5 miles from Shanty Hollow Lake and 10 miles from the Transpark. This 6-bedroom, 3-bath house includes his and hers adjoining master suites. Kitchen is complete with a gas stove top, granite countertops, large island, pantry with eat-in kitchen with views of the backyard teeming with wildlife, and a lovely formal dining room. Second level features a 16 by 64 bonus space multifunctional media room and 2 bedrooms. Fabulous screened-in porch overlooking the backyard. The property have tons of marked trails with beautiful rock overhangs and 2 different seasonal waterfalls. The hardwoods offer great opportunities for hiking trails, riding, camping and hunting. The property is perfect for active family.